Hi guys, welcome to Health Exotica YouTube channel. Today I'm here to discuss about the potential health benefits of coconut on the account of World Coconut Day. Firstly, I would like to wish everyone a very happy World Coconut Day. What is coconut considered? Is it a fruit or a nut? To make things more confusing, coconut can be a fruit, a nut, and a seed. Technically, it's a fibrous one-sided drupe. If you were to pick up a coconut that fell from a coconut palm, you would notice that it's hard and green, a layer called the exocarp. Right past the layer is the husk, which looks brown and hairy, called the mesocarp. Inside that is the endocarp, which is outside of the seed. Once you open up the seed, and you will get to the white layer of the coconut meat and the liquid. The coconut meat is highly rich in several important minerals, especially manganese and copper. While manganese supports enzyme function and fat metabolism, copper assists bone formation and heart health. Most of the fats in coconut are medium-chain triglycerides, which are absorbed intact in your small intestine and used by your body to produce energy. And the fiber which is present in coconut is insoluble, meaning that it doesn't get digested. Instead, it works to remove food through your digestive system and aids bowel health. Coconut may help in aiding weight loss. Studies suggest that the fruit may promote the feelings of fullness, calorie burning, and fat burning, all of which may support weight loss. The high fiber content of coconut meat can boost fullness, which helps prevent overeating. Coconuts are good in aiding digestive health. Coconuts are high in fiber, which helps bulk up your stool and supports bowel regularity, keeping your digestive system healthy. Since these fruits are likewise high in fat, they can help your body absorb fat-soluble nutrients including vitamin A, B, E, and K. Coconut may stabilize your blood sugar levels. This fruit may lower your fasting blood sugar and alter your gut bacteria to aid blood sugar control. Manganese and antioxidants in coconut may help boost your immune system and reduce inflammation. This fruit also has antiviral, antifungal, and tumor-suppressing properties. Coconut may benefit your brain. The coconut oil provides an alternative fuel source to glucose, which may aid people with impaired memory or brain function such as those with Alzheimer's disease. Coconut helps restore dry and damaged hair. Because of its excellent moisturizing properties, coconut milk can be used as a scalp tonic for dry, itchy, and irritated scalp. A gentle massage for 5 minutes with homemade coconut oil followed by a hot towel can have a good nourishing effect. Coconut helps promote hair growth. Coconut milk contains all the essential nutrients required for a healthy hair, boosting your hair follicles and promoting hair growth. Apply coconut oil on your hair and massage for 3 to 5 minutes. Shampoo as usual after 20 minutes. Coconut helps condition your hair. You can either wash your hair with equal amounts of coconut milk and shampoo or use coconut milk as a leave-in conditioner. This adds volume to your hair, makes it less greasy, and promotes longer and thicker hair. Coming to the skin, coconut helps prevents acne. For people with oily and acne-prone skin, coconut milk can be used as a cleanser due to its antibacterial properties. The fats in coconut milk do not clog pores, thereby preventing acne. Coconut acts as a facial scrub. Coconut is an excellent facial scrub. Coconut milk can also be used as a face scrub for gentle exfoliation. All you need to do is soak oats in coconut milk for 10 minutes and then apply to your face and then wash it with cool water. Coconut prevents premature aging. Coconut milk has high levels of vitamin C, which helps maintain elasticity and flexibility of your skin. It is also rich in copper and prevents wrinkles, sagging skin, and age spots. You can soak 6 to 7 almonds overnight and peel their skins off in the morning. Grind into a smooth paste and add 5 to 6 drops of coconut milk. Mix well and apply this paste on your face for 15 minutes and wash it off with cold water. Coconut is the best moisturizer for your skin. You can rub coconut milk on your skin directly for 20 to 30 minutes to combat dryness and promote healthy glowing skin. You can even add 1 cup of rose petals, half cup of rose water and 1 cup of coconut milk to lukewarm water in a tub. Soaking in this bath for about 15 minutes will help restore moisture on your skin. And also, you can grind half a cup of old-fashioned oatmeal and mix it with 1 to 2 cups of coconut milk and 1 tablespoon of honey. It really works wonder. Coconut helps treat sunburns. Application of coconut milk over sunburned skin aids in rapid healing because of its anti-inflammatory properties. It helps by cooling your skin and reducing the pain, swelling, and also the redness. Hope you liked the video. If you do, please like and share it to your friends and family. For more interesting updates on health, fitness, and nutrition, do subscribe Health Exotica YouTube channel. Thank you.